Alright, this is the Motion Pro fork seal bullet in 48 millimeters. These come in various sizes. They're for installing your fork seals. We'll just get this open, we can take a look. I'll show you a little bit of what it does. This will slide over the fork, and then when you install your fork seal over this, it'll guide the fork seal onto the fork cartridge. You can see that's good. I do have a set of fork seals here. So you got your fork seal, that's going to slide on like that. And then it helps you get these on. That's pretty much it. I'll do the part number. This is for the 48 millimeter. They come in various sizes, so you have to pick which one. You can get these at Rocky Mountain ATV. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.